Why can some cups go in the microwave and some not? What happens if you put the wrong cup or plate in the microwave?
Good question, Shreya. If you want to know the answer, please watch this video till the end.
And if you like the video, please thumbs up
Press the bell icon.
and do not forget to subscribe our channel. So, let's go!
start.
Why can some cups go in the microwave and some not? What happens if you put the wrong cup or plate in the microwave?
Good question, Shreya. The short answer is that it depends on the material the cups and plate are made of, and even what shape they are. Microwave oven heats up the food from the inside using what scientists call microwaves.
What are microwaves?
Microwaves are a kind of electromagnetic radiations, just like sunlight, radio waves, and X-rays, like the ones they used to take photos of bones in hospitals.
When you put your food in a microwave oven, the microwaves make the water molecules in the food vibrate or jiggle around really fast. This is how the food heats up.
Why are metals dangerous in microwave?
Putting metals in the microwave oven is generally a bad idea.
In metals, the electrons, the tiny negatively charged parts of the atoms, are free to move around.
This is why metals conduct electricity, meaning they can carry electricity from one point to another.
The microwaves push and pull the electrons around.
With metallic objects that have sharp resistor tips like aluminum foil or forks, the electrons can build up on the tips.
This can lead to sparks and fire. Other metallic objects may not spark, but they can get very hot. That can also lead to a fire depending on what else is inside the microwave.
Then, what materials are microwave safe?
Materials like plastic, glass, and ceramics are usually safe to use in a microwave because they don't contain water.
And the electrons aren't free to move around, but we still need to be careful.
Some plastic containers are too thin and can melt or release plastic into your food.
It is hard to tell exactly how something will behave inside the microwave without testing.
So, the rule of thumb is to use only containers that have been tested and are known to be microwave safe.
What about the metal grate on the inside of the microwave door?
You are right. There is a metal grate on the inside of the metal door with tiny holes in it. We will explain why it's there and why the metal grate doesn't cause sparks or fire.
Electromagnetic radiation such as sunlight, X-rays and microwaves varies in the wavelength,
which is like the distance between the peaks of the waves in the ocean.
Sunlight and microwaves differ only in the distance between the peaks of the waves.
In the case of light, this gap, known as wavelength, is extremely small,
about 1,000 times smaller than the width of a hair.
In a regular microwave oven, the wavelength is much bigger, around 12 centimeters.
That's why there are small holes, about 1 millimeter on the metal plate door.
The wavelength of light is smaller than a hose and they can bounce out so that you can see inside.
But the wavelength of the microwave is too big for the hole and it can bounce off the metal plate. The microwaves cannot escape. Hope you have learned many unknown facts about microwave oven from our video.
Please follow us for more informative videos like this. Till then,
Bye bye!